Hi, Leon Johnston from Harcourts, Motueka, Mapua. When you think Nelson, Tasman, you think this. Mountains to the west, beautiful blue sea to the east, and blue skies and sunshine all day long. Welcome to 33 James Cook Lane. This elevated site at the end of the road is the highest in Tasman Bay Estates. We're 5 minutes to Mapua, we're 15 minutes to Kaiteri Beach in the Able Tasman National Park. It doesn't get much better than this. 6,700 square metres, it's at the end of the road and it's the highest site in the Tasman Bay Estates subdivision. The icing on the cake is a walkway just over there that takes you straight down to the beach. To sum it up, absolutely stunning. I wouldn't hesitate to get hold of your architect and get them out here to design your dream home. If you'd like to know more or arrange a viewing, call myself or one of my team at Harcourts, Motueka, Mapua.